10 major lessons from the COVID pandemic. COVID 19 was a global catastrophe. It shook the world completely, but it taught us many lessons. Here are 10 spiritual lessons out of them. Life is unpredictable. No one has full control over it, not even the mightiest of rulers. The economic progress of the world can be halted by a small virus. The first lessons from the COVID pandemic is let's be humble. Nature can throw surprises which send scientists back to the drawing board despite gaining so much scientific knowledge thus far. We have tried to subjugate nature by using technology, but nature cannot be won over this way. The only way is to coexist lovingly with nature. The second lessons from the COVID pandemic is let's take care of nature. During lockdown, one had to learn to live with few things. Necessities of life are very few. The rest only clutters our life. It became clear to all that we can live without many things and that too happily. The third lessons from the COVID pandemic is frugal living is beautiful. Nothing is indispensable. Lockdown forced people to change their long-term habits. Big-time shoppers had to stop shopping from the showrooms. Tobacco chewers had to live without it. Wanderers had to stay indoors. The fourth lessons from the COVID pandemic is flexibility can be a great virtue. Survival is the topmost goal for everyone. We love ourselves so much that no one wants to die. Relatives chose not to go to funeral of someone dear who died of COVID. Lockdown became successful even without much force since it was a question of saving one's life. The fifth lessons from the COVID pandemic is we can enjoy the world when we are alive. Let's put health first. Lockdown also demonstrated that freedom is the greatest happiness. When we were given relief to go out, the contrast became apparent. The shadow gives you comfort when you come under it from the hot sun, not when you are sitting in it all the time. The sixth lesson is freedom is happiness, let's preserve it. Nature has its own way of delivering fruits of one's karma in a dramatic manner. In business, some thrived due to the pandemic, while others suffered heavy losses. Ego has no place in nature. No one can claim that he is always a winner in any business he does. The seventh lesson is success or failure depends on a lot of extraneous factors. Digital adoption became faster during the pandemic. Working from home and online meetings and training became a norm. Digital financial transaction and e-commerce came into a prominence. Life became easy. We may wonder how come we did not adopt all these earlier. The eighth lesson is let's not wait for a calamity to bring innovation in our life. However, the digital gap between the haves and have not became more prominent in this period. The children from poor families suffered in education because of not having facilities for online studies. The ninth lesson is smartphone and internet connectivity are now a basic necessity for everyone. The best spiritual outcome of the pandemic was that people experienced what it is to be instead of to do all the time. Humans became human beings. Thanks to COVID, family members came closer to each other. Living rooms started being used for living and not just to impress guests. The last but not the least, being is more important than doing.